Stunning shortcuts you must try. Classic Pixie Cut. Perfect for framing oval faces and highlighting cheekbones with a clean, low upkeep silhouette. Choppy Bob with bangs. Ideal for adding texture to fine hair and softly concealing forehead lines for a youthful touch. Asymmetrical Pixie. A bold, modern option that beautifully elongates the neck and suits confident, stylish women. Sleek Stacked Bob. Creates exceptional volume at the crown. Perfect for adding instant density to thinning hair. Textured Shag. Offers a carefree, youthful vibe that frames the face with soft, movement-filled layers. Silver Pixie Bob. An elegant hybrid cut that beautifully embraces natural silver hair, while keeping styling effort minimal. Curly Bob with layers. Defines natural curls beautifully, distributing volume evenly to avoid a heavy look. Blunt Cut Lob. Gives the illusion of thicker hair with its sharp, precise ends, ideal for straight hair. Tapered Pixie Cut. A classic masculine-inspired look adapted for mature women who love clean, bold nape details. French Bob. A timeless, effortless look that sits beautifully at chin length to define the jawline. Voluminous Feathered Cut. Brings back elegant 70s volume with swept-back feather layers, ideal for thicker hair types. Messy Shag Cut. Perfect for a casual, effortless everyday look that thrives on natural movement. Silver Spiky Pixie. A playful modern pixie that stands out with its textured, easy-to-style spiky layers. Curly Pixie with voluminous top. Flattering for round face shapes, adding vertical height and balancing natural proportions. Choppy Crop Cut. Brings rich, piecey texture and easy styling options, perfect for active lifestyles. Pompadour Pixie. A chic, bold option that draws attention upward, perfect for creating height and drama. Blunt Micro Bob. Extremely fashionable and clean cut, emphasizing the jawline and eyes with retro modern style. Razored Pixie Cut. Features thin, razor-cut tips that bring texture and lightness to thicker hair textures. Curly Shag Cut. A lovely bouncy look that celebrates natural curls with short layers for extra texture. Tousled Pixie with highlights. Brings high dimension and volume to fine hair, giving an energetic, fresh look.